If you've been struggling to make money online, specifically with Clickbank, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $1,000 online using the Clickbank marketplace in 2020 and beyond. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I want to take you through step by step a method that I use and people that I know use to make money online with Clickbank. Now, this is going to be a very thorough tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to do to get this up and running for you and hopefully get you on your way to your first $1,000 with Clickbank. And even if you do use Clickbank right now and you are making money with Clickbank, you're going to want to watch this as well, because this is a really good method to make some extra money from Clickbank. Now, one thing I do want to kind of talk about before we get into this is that a lot of people teach everyone the wrong way. So they teach people to spam their links, they teach people to go and just post in like Facebook groups and things like that, but that's not the right way to do Clickbank affiliate marketing. You need to do it properly, because if you don't do it properly, it's not going to work. And that's why I do these videos, is to take you through step by step so you can see how to actually make money with Clickbank properly. And these methods have been proven to work for us. So that's what I do. I take you through how to do this properly. If you want to just go and spam links like a clown and not listen to how to do it properly, that's fine, but you'll never make good money. I have a lot of Facebook groups and I see it all the time. People consistently spamming my groups. They never make money because they get banned. And secondly, if people just click on the link, the chances of them just buying because they clicked on the link is literally zero. So I'm going to show you how to do it properly so you can actually get some sales. So first of all, how does Clickbank work if you don't know how it works? Clickbank is a marketplace or a network where people upload products and you can be an affiliate for those products. It's pretty much the most popular one online today. And essentially what you do is you promote a product and you get money in return. That's the simplest way to put it. And for this particular product here, this isn't the product we're talking about in this video, but for this product here, as an example, this one, you can get $92 for a sale. So average sale means what you get on average every time you make a sale. Now it can range from $5 all the way up to, I've seen $1,000, $500, $400. It really depends on the product you choose to promote. It's going to depend how much money you make. So the process of this is, first of all, you need to actually go over to Clickbank and sign up and create an account. It's very simple to do. You just go over there and you put in some details if you haven't already. I'm going to assume that you probably have a Clickbank account. That's why you're here on this video trying to learn how to make money with Clickbank. Now, the next step is we need to go through a process. It's a three-step process. The first process is simple. We need to find a product that's working right now. Product that's actually making money. Okay, and I'll tell you how we'll figure that out in a second. And the product has to have a resource page. What that means is it has to have a page where we can get affiliate tools that we can use. This is quite important for this particular method that I'm going to show you. So what you want to do once you've signed up to Clickbank is you want to go into the marketplace, and for this tutorial you want to put in the words VertShock. And what you want to do is you want to go to search. Now, I've found the best products for you. The reason why I know this is the best is because we are making money with this and people that I know. So VertShock is a basketball program. Okay, and you might be thinking, a basketball program on Clickbank, isn't it normally make money stuff? Well, this is a basketball program and it converts extremely well, okay? It's a course on how to dunk better with basketball. Now, what you want to do is you want to, so first of all, look at what we call the gravity. So this has 60 people who have made money with this product in the last 30 days. So we know, or 60 days or something. So we know that this is converting and people are selling this product. That's the first indication that we need to look at. Then we need to open this up and go to the affiliate page. And we need to go and click on the affiliate resources. We want to see if this has resources that we can use. Now, the best thing about this particular product, guys, is we can actually create a link to all sorts of pages. So instead of clicking on promote, you want to go to the affiliate resource page and put in your affiliate ID, so whatever your username is, and you can actually create a link to any one of these pages: testimonial page, direct to order form, a squeeze page, or the home page. So if I do direct to order form and generate a link, what this one does is it actually takes me directly to the order form instead of actually taking me to the home page. So this is good if you just want to collect emails and send people directly to the offer. Or you can actually create go directly to another page, so maybe a testimonial page, generate link, and this is going to be your link that you send people to. So that's one of the reasons why I like this offer. The second reason is they have emails if you want to use emails. You don't have to with this particular method, but if you wanted to, you could use emails. Okay, so that's the two criteria that I like for this particular product. It has to be making money and it has to have a resource page. Now, the next criteria is we want to create what we call a bridge page. Okay, we need to have a bridge page for this method or it's not going to work. And I've created one for you to use. So you can actually click below and there's a link for a free template that you can use. And there's instructions on how to use it. And there's some free resources in there on how to use it as well. But I'll show you how to do it in this training as well. So basically what people do is they will send people to the landing page, right? So it just makes sense. Send people to the home page. Yeah, you can do that. But in this method, what we want to do is we want to actually send people to a bridge page that we've created first. Then we want to send them to the offer, because the method that we're going to use in this training for traffic, we can't use an affiliate link, okay? So what I've done is there is a template below that you can use. What I recommend you do is, I use a program called ClickFunnels. You can use whatever you want. You don't have to use ClickFunnels, but if you want to use this pre-made template, you can only import it into ClickFunnels. And what I do is I edit this page. And I'm going to actually show you a secret that will make you even more money in a second. But what I can do is I can literally edit this page, okay? And I can click, so I can change whatever I want. We've made this for you to use. So I can change whatever I want, right? And I'll show you people that are actually using this right now and making money. I'll show you soon. But more importantly, if I click this button here and go like this, I can take my affiliate link here and I can put it in here. So set action. And I can put the affiliate link here on go to website URL and then save it. And when someone clicks on this button, they're going to go over to the website URL, the main homepage or whatever page I chose for this product, okay? So I'm not going to show you how to create a funnel. I will have some tutorials down below for that. I have a full video on how you can edit in ClickFunnels and how to create a funnel and a template and stuff. But this one here is already done for you. You just need to maybe just make it a little bit different because a lot of people will be using this. But this one is all set up, ready to go. If we preview it, it's all nice and easy to do. If you don't want to use ClickFunnels, I know some people don't, then just kind of replicate this into another program that maybe you use. It might take you a few hours to do that. Now here's a little bit of a secret before we move on. What I recommend you actually do is instead of having a button there, what I recommend you do is you put in what we call an email input. So if I go to elements, add element, so if I put in an input section, somewhere down there, so I can, hey, give us your email. This is probably the best way to do it because you're going to make more money. Let me explain. Instead of having a button, have an email form instead. So what happens is people will subscribe to your email list. Then you can go and use the emails that they've provided in your own email list to promote the product as well. And then you can also direct them to the home page, right? Once they've given you the email. So it's a really, really good strategy to make more money with this particular method. Okay, so I'm going to leave the template below and a free video on how to kind of like edit templates and stuff and ClickFunnels if you want to watch that, and how to set up emails as well. Okay, completely free videos for you to watch. Now, the next step is, this is actually step 3. Okay, I messed it up. This is actually step 3. We want to go and find buyers looking to buy the product, and we want to do laser specific targeting and that we can scale fast. This is the best way to do this. So let me explain to you how we're going to do this. If I go into Google and I put in VertShock, all of these things pop up. Okay, all of these ads, and these guys are actually using our page. I am the creator of this page, guys. No one else has created this before me. My team and me created this page. So these people haven't created them. They have downloaded the one that we give them, and they're using it right now, and they're making money with this method. How do we know that they're making money? Because they wouldn't be wasting money on ads if they weren't making money. So if I go search again, VertShock, you'll see that they pop up, and here's another one here. Here's another one here. Now, the secret is, guys, is try not to use the same page as everybody else. I've given you a template. Here's some others that you can kind of replicate. So here's one here. And here's another one here. But what you want to do is simple. we want to go and create little text ads that look like this. And let me show you exactly how to do that. The best thing about this, we don't need videos, we don't need pictures or anything like that. You want to go over to Google Adwords. So go into Google, type in Google Adwords, and you can actually get a coupon. So if you go into Google right now and you type in free $100 Google coupon, you will get a coupon, and you can do this for free. You can spend that $100 and you get a free $100 just for signing up with Google Ads. So that's another good way to try this out. What you want to do is you want to go to search campaigns and you want to click on campaigns. Okay? And we want to create a search campaign. So once you've signed up to Google Ads, you should be into a back end that kind of looks like this. Okay? And I'm going to go to the plus symbol here, a new campaign. And I'm just going to do website traffic, because we're not tracking sales, we're not tracking leads or anything like that. We're going to go website traffic. And I'm going to go search. Now, you're going to have to put in your business website. So I would recommend having your own website, but you don't have to. We know that this guy is using the ClickFunnels link. So you go back and you want to get this link here. So you'll have your own link in here or whatever link for your funnel, for your page. And you want to paste that in here and then go to continue. Now the next step is simple. You just want to name your campaign. So I'll name it VertShock Test. Take off display network and just have it on search network. That's what we've found that works the best for this method. Scroll down and then put in your countries. So I'll put in the countries that we target and then I'll show you. All right, so the ones we use are Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. This is called the 5 stack. The reason we use these and the reason it's called the 5 stack, because it's the top 5 profitable countries in the world for running ads to. Okay, so just put them in there and leave that there. Language, English, or maybe you could transfer this into French or whatever you want. Now this is your budget that you're going to be spending every single day. I would recommend just starting on $10, okay? So for example, if you pay $1 a click, you're going to get 10 clicks to the website per day, because you can always scale it up or scale it down. Start off with like $5 to $10. Just start slow, always start slow, and then scale up as you go on. And we want to do clicks, and we do not want to set a maximum, just leave it, because we want to kind of see what Google's going to give us first, and we can set a maximum later if we want to. That's too advanced. Don't worry about doing any of that. Just copy what I've done. Show more options. You can leave that, leave this, and then go to save and continue. So it's very straightforward. Just go back if I'm going too fast, but I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible to see what I did. And then go to save and continue. Now we're going to set up what we call an ad group. So we're going to call it ad group 1, and we're going to put in our keywords, okay? So keywords are something that someone searches. So for example, VertShock. Now I found out that VertShock is really the best one for this. If we put in VertShock review, there's actually ads running for VertShock review as well. I didn't think there was. So this is what I would do, okay? This is what we are doing, is put in VertShock and VertShock review. Now, technically, you only need to put in VertShock and it would show up for VertShock review, but we've found it better to have both keywords running side by side. But what you want to do is you want to actually make them a phase match by putting these symbols at the start and the end of each keyword. If you don't put a phase match, then it's going to be a broad keyword and it's going to show up for heaps of keywords that don't matter. It's going to waste your money. Exact match is a little bit too intense for Google for these keywords, so we put in a phase match. And that works the best for us. Or you can do some other ones. If you go on Google, phase match and broad match, there's actually other options. But as a beginner, these are the best options for you. And then I'm going to go save and continue. Now we create the ad. So there's 3 steps. There is the campaign, the ad group, and now we're going to create the actual ad. And the ad is the thing that shows up here, okay, on Google. Now I would recommend just kind of not copying, but doing something similar to what's already on Google, because we know that that's working, okay? You don't have to make it harder for yourself when people have already done the work for us. They've basically done the work for us. So I'm just going to basically replicate one of these real quick. So the headline, there's going to be a couple of sections. Let me just show you. I'll put in VertShock, and I'll put in 95% discount. They don't lie either. Make sure it's truthful. They do actually give a 95% discount. Count today. Plus bonus. Plus, and I'll put bonus content. Okay. So what I've done here is you can see VertShock 95% discount today. And I'll put with bonus content. Okay. And then you can just, if you want to change this around, then you can just change it. So I might actually put 95% today there and with bonus content here. VertShock with bonus content, 95% off today. And then I'm going to just, well, yeah, I won't copy those descriptions, but then you put in a description, guys, which is super simple. So the description is description 1 and 2. I'm going to put looking to get VertShock. We have a deal going right now for 95% off. Right? Cool. Description number 2. Get VertShock today and claim your discount. Claim your discount before it's gone. That's all you have to do. That's it. You've literally just gone out and created an ad. And then here we go here. So looking to get VertShock, we have a deal going right now for 95% off. Get VertShock today and claim your discount before it's gone. And then here, I've gone out and created an ad that's exactly like this. And we know this is working, guys, because these people are using the exact page I'm going to give you. They're running ads, they're spending money. So we know that they're making money. They wouldn't be spending money on ads if they're not actually making money. And it's as simple as that. All you do now is you go save and continue. That's it. And then your ad goes into a review within 24 hours. It should be live. If it's not, go and change some stuff on the page. They'll tell you what's wrong. And then you could potentially make some money with Clickbank. Now, the reason I talk about this method, guys, is because it's quicker. You're going to make money faster. You're sending people to this page. You should be collecting emails, and then you're sending them to the VertShock, right? You don't have to go and create a blog. This is fast traffic that you can scale quickly. Now, if you want more training on how to do Clickbank and stuff like that, I have a training below in the description. You can check it out. We take you through building funnels, building emails, Clickbank affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels affiliate marketing, free traffic, paid traffic, and all that sort of stuff. You can check that out. Link in the description. Click the affiliate link. So it'll say affiliate training. That link, click that link, and it'll take you through to our training on this. If you want some more free training, you can click the videos on the right that will take you through step by step on how you can actually go and create your own affiliate marketing business online. Don't forget to hit subscribe, tap that notification bell, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the video on the right.